Hello everybody. Today I'm checking out older Windows versions again. This is part 2. If you didn't see part 1, link will be in the description down below or at the end card of the video. Or maybe I could put in one of those like little links. I don't know. But anyways, I sort of configured 98 again to try and get it to work with the sound. So first let's hop into 98 second edition. I'll try to get like a game working on there. Ignore my Windows 8.1 virtual machine. I couldn't get the ISO for that because it was like really large in file size. There we go. Oh. Hello? Okay. Oh, Microsoft Network is not... Cancel. I don't want to add new hardware. I don't want hardware. I haven't installed device drivers, and also the sound is still missing. Oh, control panel is still here. I'll probably have to put in like Doom or something. Wave sounds. I can't do audio. New WordPad document. E-A-T. Eat cheese. Oh, eat cheese. I like to eat. I like said chess. Each chess. Cheese. I like to kiss chesse. I like to eat cheese. Chiasse. Oh, I accidentally pressed 1 instead of F1. Did that? No, let me out. Okay, good. That didn't affect OBS. I don't need help with what? I don't need help with WordPad. No, get out of here. I'm guessing it's still gonna, yeah, illegal operation. And there's the hexadecimals. If you didn't know, hexadecimal is basically what makes up like image files and stuff. Wait, can I move this? I can move it. I can move it. Text document. I'm gonna see if I can put a file in the recycling bin. Yes. Open. And then if I drag it back out onto my desktop, it's on my desktop again. And then I can put it in. Go. No. Don't go. Stay. Empty recycle bin. There we go. Ooh, ee. Effects. Alright, web. Oh, okay. Effects. Desktop. Wait, I can change the icon for it. No, make that a make it a folder. No. I like that. Does this Windows version not have the mouse trail? Screensavers. Flying windows. Whoa! Wait for 1 minute. So if I can preview it. That looks cool. They're like jumping out. 3D maze? What? What? That's not what that's supposed to look like, but okay. I think it's because I don't have 256 color integration. Hold on. Shut down. Can't send shutdown signal. Why does it look like that? Wait, settings. Colors, 2 colors. No, don't. Okay, 16 colors. Advanced. No, I can't make the mouse trail appear. I don't even have a mouse tab. Appearance. No, I can't modify the. That's disappointing. I thought I would be able to mess with the mouse cursor, but apparently not. There we go. Shut down. Can't send shutdown signal. Okay, I'm just gonna shut down. I like that it just, just gray. Just appeared. Whoa. OBS jump scare. How do I make the hardware support 256 colors? Hold on. I wasn't able to get it to work, so I guess I'm just not gonna be able to do the 3D screensavers very well because I can't get into 256 color. I know it supported that color management. What is? What is all of this? No. Cancel. I can't do the mouse trail for some reason. In the settings, .3D flower box. Okay. Flying objects. Pipes. I don't know why it doesn't work. 3D text. Whoa. OpenGL. E. Go. There's E. dots. Just very slowly. E. Fun fact, the screensaver is actually still on the current Windows. Channel screensaver? What is that? Internet Explorer? What the heck? No, get me out of here. Flying windows. Apply. Okay. So now if I wait around a minute, it'll show the flying windows screensaver. Wait, hold on. What happens if I... Oh my gosh, the capture keyboard actually does that. Alright, so now we're going to go to Windows XP. Since I don't think I can get a game running on Windows 98 SE. Since the 3D driver just doesn't work. Okay, let's check. Is it attached? Yes. Good. So now let's start Windows XP. Powering up the VM. Do-do-do-do. This one is like way more compatible. Whoa. I just made it big. There's audio. Wait, what? Hold on. Whoa. This is cool. Computer might be at risk. Okay, I'm gonna scale it down. Virtual screen 125%. I don't care. Windows XP tour.
Welcome to Windows XP from Microsoft, the new version of Windows that brings your PC to life. Experience the best. Experience Windows XP. Best for business. Windows XP Professional shines as a business operating system. Get more work done faster, easier, anytime, anywhere.
Alright.
Safe and easy personal computing. Thanks to Windows XP, personal computing just got a whole lot easier and more fun. Unlock the world of digital media. Windows XP is your ticket to exciting digital media at home and on the internet. The connected home and office. Get connected. Windows XP makes it easy to share and link computers. See for yourself how easy Windows XP is to use. Take this brief tour. To begin the tour, click any selection.
Windows XP Basics.
Friendly new screens, simplified menus, and a whole lot more. Discover the Windows desktop. Using Windows XP is simple. First, you'll see the large colored area on the screen called the desktop, and the narrow band at the bottom called the taskbar. Everything you can do on your computer appears inside frames that are called windows. You can open as many windows at one time as you like and resize them, move them around, or restack them in any order. Icons. The small pictures you see on the desktop are called icons. Think of them as doorways to the files and programs stored on your computer. Place your mouse over an icon. Text appears identifying its name or contents. To open the file or program, double-click the icon. Shortcut icons, identified by the small arrow on the lower left, let you access programs, files, folders, disk drives, web pages, printers, even other computers. And because desktop shortcuts simply supply links to those files or devices, You can add and delete their icons without affecting the actual programs or files. The first time you start Windows XP, you'll see only one icon, the recycle bin, where you can send files you wish to delete from your computer.
Or you can press the delete key.
Taskbar. Every time you open a window, a button representing it appears on the taskbar, and it disappears when you close a window. The taskbar also contains the Start button and Notification area, where you'll see the clock. Other buttons can appear temporarily, showing the status of ongoing activities. For instance, the Printer button appears when you send a file to the printer and disappears when printing is complete. You'll also be reminded here when new Windows updates are available to download from the Microsoft website. Windows XP keeps the taskbar tidy by consolidating buttons when too many accumulate. For example, buttons representing individual emails are automatically grouped under a single email button. Clicking the button lets you select an email from a convenient menu. Start menu. The Start menu appeared automatically the first time you ran Windows XP. You can return to the Start menu anytime by clicking the Start button on the taskbar. The Start menu contains everything you need to begin using Windows. You can start programs, open files, customize your system, get help, search for items on your computer, and more. Some commands on the Start menu have a right-facing arrow. That means additional choices are available on a secondary menu. Place your pointer over an item with an arrow, and another menu appears. The left side of the Start menu updates with links to the programs you use most frequently.
Email.
At the top left are fixed items, shortcuts to things like your internet browser
I think
and
Windows
email
7
program.
introduced Windows Media Center.
Files and folders. Your computer is like a desk with file drawers. Each piece of work or file can be stored in a folder. Windows XP makes it easy to store files where they make the most sense. Place text, image, and music files in the folders titled My Documents, My Pictures, and My Music. They also offer convenient links to the tasks you'll perform most often.
Right.
Windows. Windows display the contents of files and programs. Working with Windows is easy when you know the basics. The name of the window appears at the top in its title bar. Minimize a window to shrink it to a button on the taskbar. Maximize a window to fill the screen, or restore it to its original size. Inside a window, browse the menus to see the different commands and tools you can use. When you find the command you want, just click it. If a program needs some information from you before it can complete a command, a dialog box appears. To enter information, you might click and type, select a choice in a list, choose just one option, or check off one or more options that you want. If the contents of your file don't fit in the window in one glance, simply scroll the window to move the contents up, down, or sideways, or drag the contents into view.
Alright.
Control panel. Customizing your computer settings is simple with the Windows XP control panel. Just open it from the Start menu. Ending your session.
I already know how to do all this. So, let's see. Ooh. Windows XP. Yes. No, make the... What color is it? Make that red. It didn't do anything. No, make it none. And then make it the classic. Well, that's more green, but you get what I mean. That is not the colors that I clicked, but alright. Now my desktop is green. No, make it, Azul? Azul. Is there browse? Windows NT? Okay. Sure. No, make that Windows XP. Where's Frutiger Arrow? Oh, they don't have Frutiger Arrow. Settings? Highest, medium. No, change that to highest. Advanced? I don't need all of that. Make a, what is a briefcase? No, make a folder. High sequel. Do we have the games on here? I don't know if we have a game. Is there a game? Games! Wait, hold on. I can actually play games. Pinball. 3D pinball. Yo, wait. This is actually so cool. How do I play? Wait, what do I press? How do I... Huh? Game... help topics. No. Options. Player controls. Plunger, right table bump. Z and slash. Space Cadet. Hello? Oh, F3 to resume. I can't press anything. Okay, that's cool. I can play games. That's cool. I like that. It actually functions. Minesweeper. What the heck? Oh, I lost. Enable sound. New game. I lost immediately. No. Yeah, I don't think anyone knows how to play Minesweeper. What is hearts? What is free cell? It looks at my cursor. Whoa, what the heck? Resign this? What? Accessories? Wait, hold on. Can I drag something into this? Let's see. Drag and drop. Bidirectional. Also, I had to uninstall some Steam games that I don't play anymore. Alright, text document. I'm just gonna leave this empty. Can't drop data to guest? No, it doesn't work. Host to guest. What do you mean it can't drop a text file into there? Also, where's paint? Oh, there it is. It looks almost the exact same. Oh, hey, it's actually pink and not purple. What is it? No, give him blue eyelashes. These are not eyelashes. I don't know what these are. They're like whiskers or something. I don't know what I'm drawing. E. Save as. What format? Ooh, PNG. We can save as a PNG. Yay! .png. Wait, hold on. Can I drag it to the host? Guest to host. There we go. Where did that save? I think that saved in my pictures. Yeah. Oh. Okay. None. Shared clipboard. Properties. This looks just like, this looks like very similar to the current simple. Title. I'm gonna title it. I can't give the image metadata. No. Sample pictures? Ooh. Go. Somewhere far away. I don't know. Can I pin something to the taskbar? No. Those are basically the exact same. The what? Uh-huh. Okay. Customize the start menu. I don't know if I can. Wait, I can change the screensavers. Oh, it doesn't have the 3D maze. It does have 3D text. There. No, make it say. Wee. Okay. My pictures slideshow. Beziers. What? No, make that 3D pipes. Oh. Oh. It went away. Whoa. Whee. Building something. That's cool. I like that. Flying objects. Can I change what the... I can. It's just going to be the Windows logo. Apply. Preview. That's cool. What is it just Windows XP? At least there's sound. Starfield. That's like the flying windows from XP. Or not from XP. This one's just blank. What is it? Oh. Close. Beziers. Ah. That looks crazy. I think there's something like this on... Ah! It's a lot faster there. 3D flower box. It like grows polygons. And then it turns back into a cube, which then turns into a flower. That is very confusing. None. Also, that just means that it never plays. Blank. It's just black. Yeah, let's do 3D text. Appearance. Oh wait, I can... Yo! Where can we go? Look at it go. Look at it go. Color scheme. No, make that green. Silver? Ooh, I like that. Whoa. Hey, hey. Effects. Fade effect. Scroll effect? No, make that scroll effect. What did that do? Active title bar. Trebuchet. Microsoft. Fade effect. That's cool. Make it blue. It's blue. Desktop. Make that... No, make this tile. No, put it in the center. Yeah, stretch it. Who cares? What is wallpaper 1? Wait. I can put my picture as a wallpaper. Now put this. That looks kind of cool. VORTEX space. Flying into the VORTEX. Not the vortex. The VORTEX. Wave sound. Okay. Can I record audio? Auto resize guest display. Scaled mode. Menu bar, status bar, recording. I can make it record audio. Oh. You go right back in there. Is there audio recording? I turned on being able to record audio. Wait, can I go to the internet? Connect to the internet. Sure. Hey, I think I'm online now. I think. Should be. Example.com. Hey! Wait, what happens if I go to... What if I search Google? Go.com. Upgrade to a recent version. Okay. Go. Upgrade my browser. This page cannot be displayed. Okay, so it does work. I just can't get things into it. Hold on. Hello? Oh, it's crashed. There we go. How do I do this? Okay, settings, general, advanced. Features. Wait, there we go. Bidirectional and bidirectional. Then let's start Windows XP again. Then we have to install the guest additions to it. CD drive. Alright, so go to the computer thing and do the double click the CD drive. Where's the CD drive? Open my computer and double click. Shut up. And double click the CD drive. Okay, go to my computer. So that would be, what is this? readme.html. Where's my computer? There it is. CD drive. Install optional Windows components, I think. No. Message queuing. Back cancel. Oh, I have to do something first. Devices. Insert guest edition CD image. Yes, direct 3D support. Okay, guest additions. This is forced off. Start menu entries. What does this add? I don't know what that does, but I'm gonna get all of this. Reboot now. So now I should be able to drag files from my desktop onto the Windows XP desktop. I think this is the first time I've successfully run a Windows virtual machine without any problems. I don't care about my display settings or antivirus. It worked! Yes! Yes! Did that modify my host file? No, it's just completely... Okay, what should I do? I should probably try and get a game. Windows XP VM or Pro Service Pack 3 VM. Half-Life 2 could work. If I can get like Steam or something. Or maybe I could just like drag the folder in. Alright. I don't know what I should play on this. How do I empty it? Oh, there we go. The sound. Okay, so I have AI. I have Algadoo on here. I don't know if it run in compatibility for Windows 95. No. Run in 256 colors. Yes. You know what? I'm just gonna run the setup wizard. Welcome to the Algadoo setup wizard. Alright, I accept the agreement. Sure. And a desktop icon. Wait, what? It's actually functioning? Please update the graphics drivers. Oh. So I can't get it on here. Some items cannot be shown. Uninstall. Okay, can I, like, download... What is this? I don't know how to download it for Windows XP. Okay, I got interactive physics to work. Interactive physics demo. This is the demo. I think I have to reinstall it if I want to... How do I uninstall? I don't know how to uninstall it. Alright. Program files. I don't know how to uninstall interactive physics. Oh, there it is. Uninstall? Wait, can I just delete the folder? Delete the folder. Start menu, programs, and then interactive physics. Oh, why didn't you just tell me that? Oh. Undo deleting interactive physics. Okay. Then control panel. Add or remove programs. Alright. And then we go back through the installation process. os.dat. None. Then I put in this. No. Okay. Maybe the... No. I guess I can only do the demo. New programs installed, interactive physics demo. And then here we are. This is super old. Wait, anchor this. There we go. And then let's draw a circle, move that here. Then let's, I don't know what I'm doing. How do I move it back? I don't think I can move it behind a layer. This is the demo version, meaning that you can't save anything. But I can. Okay, C. program files. No. Oh wait, there it is. For demo users. Where's incline? I don't see incline. Axe and grindstone. Whoa. Conservation of momentum and energy. Okay then. I had no idea what was going on. I tried to run Algadoo, but it said that I couldn't because of a thing. I didn't have shader support. But anyways, if you guys liked the, hold on, yes, power off the machine. If you guys liked this video, I make sure to subscribe for some more content from me. I will see you guys later in the next video. Next video already implies later, but goodbye.